Now, Easy Equity investors have got 1 day left. In a space of less than 24 hours, Easy Equity is going to close the expression of interest which they opened last week for those that are interested in acquiring or making an offer when it comes to acquiring Boxer shares. We have discussed what this expression of interest consists of and why it might be a good opportunity for the Easy Equities investors, those that have been interested onto Boxer, to maybe partake or participate into this offer that Easy Equity is of course presenting on their platform. So tomorrow at 11 a.m. Easy Equity is going to close this offer of those that are interested in buying Boxer shares. I'll be open with you. I said last week as I was doing the video that I was going to participate. I have not done that yet, but yeah, I guess they still like what, 18 hours to decide, and I'll still decide, but I've not done anything as yet. Yeah, but I believe it's a good opportunity, especially knowing that Boxer is a company that is doing so well, and based on what we have seen from other companies that have listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, we usually see a spike and the offer. So I'll still decide on what I want to do, but anyways, we'll see how that one unfolds. But as I've said, Boxer, it's a company that has been doing, when you check their financials, we have discussed them, they are doing very well. Gross margins, as soon as screen you notice that it has been on the rise. 2022 financial year, gross margins were at 19.4%, 2023 21.1%, 2024 almost flat at 21.2%. But when you look at the EBITDA profitability, you will notice that 2022 2.2 billion, 2023 2.8 billion, 2024 3.8 billion rands, which again, it's pretty good. You can see that the EBITDA revenue growth, or the EBITDA growth, has been on the rise, which I suppose it's a pretty good thing. Same as profit before tax. 2022 1.2 billion, 2023 1.6 billion. This financial year, 2024 1.8 billion. So also the profit before tax has been increasing, which makes Boxer to be really interesting. Turnover, same goes. You will notice that there's a graph that shows there, say that the turnover for Boxer continues growing, and with their plans of creating or introducing new stores, I think we are going to see revenues continuing to increase, which is something that is pretty exciting. So this offer which Easy Equities is offering, it is pretty interesting. It's an interesting one because it's not like Boxer is a company that is struggling. Boxer is a company that is doing well. Gross margins, profit margins before tax, EBITDA, revenues. This just shows that Boxer is a company that is doing pretty well, pretty decent, which makes this expression of interest very interesting. I mean, you know that Easy Equity is trying to fight to get the shares at 54 rands. Then those shares, when you place your offer to purchase, right, you will get these shares at 54 rands, which when Boxer lists, I can certainly tell you, or I can tell you that we might see Boxer opening trading at over 60 rands per share, which is something that, if that's the case and you participated, you got your shares at 54 rands, you would be sitting at a profit already when the Boxer starts trading, or on Boxer's first day of trading. It's a pretty interesting offer, but again, the choice lies with you. No one can force you to do anything. If you want to participate, you can participate. Even me, I've not decided, but I still have 18 hours like to decide if whether I want to buy or participate into this expression of interest of Boxer shares, which deadline is tomorrow at 11 p.m. which I will still decide, and you, if you have not partake or participated, you will still decide. If you have participated, tell me, let me know if you are going to participate, if you have participated, or if you are just going to ignore this. Let me know in the comment section. Let's see what you guys are doing out there. But as for me, I have still not decided. I still have got 18 hours to decide, but I'll let you know if I participated or not. I'll be open with you guys. But like I said, it's really tempting. I must say, it's really tempting for one to participate into this. And from where I stand now, I want to participate. But yeah, let's wait and see. How I will tell you if I participated or not. But from where I stand, chances are I might end up participating, because I think it might be a good deal. Even if I'm to participate, I don't think I'll be that aggressive. And maybe the reason is I don't have a lot of money at disposal, so I'm still deciding how much I go in or I participate with. But tomorrow 11 p.m. they will be closing this offer to all the that want to participate into this of course, expression of interest. I wish they could have extended it for a longer period, but again, let's wait, let's see how this whole thing unfolds. Otherwise, just thought I'd just give you these quick updates and remind you about the deadline that is taking place tomorrow, or that is coming tomorrow, for those that are interested into buying Boxer shares. Otherwise, tell me what you think. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Once you subscribe, don't forget to click that notification bell, because on this channel I cover South African stocks, any kind of news that might maybe impacting some of the stocks. I talk about the stocks I invest in personally, and I think I must also make it clear that what I try to do, or what I want to try to do, is to cover hot topics that relate to the stock market, or that might have catch a lot of interest into people. I know some people want me to cover some companies, but honestly, making a video takes time, and I cannot just do a video about a certain company which maybe interests were shown by one or two people. It has to be more, because making videos takes time, and therefore part of the reason why I'm talking about Boxer is because I've seen a lot of people showing interest into the Boxer shares, which is why I decided to do this video and cover those shares. So some of the companies you want me to do a video about, the more I see people maybe showing interest in those companies, is the more I will be motivated, I guess, to do videos about them. So yeah, I hope you understand, guys. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.